Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to talk about the latest software update in the iQOO Z3 device. Yes friends, finally the iQOO Z3 did receive the July security patch update. So in this video I'll try to show you what is the update size and what are the features it got added and how much time it actually takes to install this complete update process. So first let's start with the update size. The update version is of close to 1.77.1. As you can see, this is the updates version number and 201 is the MB size of the update, as you can see, and this is a July security patch update which we did receive, as you can see friends clearly. And right now even I'm waiting for the iQOO 7's update. Till now I did not get the iQOO 7's update, but iQOO Z3 got the update for the July, so that's no problem. And let's check the system security got fixed and optimize system operating performance, enhance the system stability. That's good. Optimize the algorithm of the brightness adjustment to make the changes in the brightness smoother. Okay. And optimize the experience of ultra game mode 4D vibrations. So maybe the Battlegrounds mobile got added with the 4D vibrations. I need to check that as soon as possible once after I install. So optimize the photo sharing function to make it easier to share the photos between apps. Okay. And fingerprint recognitions. Optimize the fingerprint recognition logic to improve the fingerprint unlocking. That's the one thing related to the fingerprint. So I'm really excited about the performance to check the Antutu benchmark score and stability. And next I need to check about the 4D vibrations as well. So once I download this update and install it, so later I'll try to do another video demonstrating about the Battlegrounds mobile, whether the game supports voice changes and 4D vibrations or not. I think voice change is kind of supported. Maybe the 4D vibrations, that's the one which I need to check with the latest update. Let's see, voice change and the 4D vibrations both I'll try to check in the next update. So once this downloading, I'll try to start the stopwatch as well after this download finish. Then we can know how much time it actually takes to complete install this process. So right now it's kind of downloading. Let's see friends how much more time it actually takes. So 88, 89%, 90%, 91, 93, 94. So finally it's going to completely done, and yes, the installation process has been begun, as you can see. Now let's see how much more time the installation process will take, because the download is completely different from one user to other user depending on the internet speed, but installation process will be same for all the users. So that is the reason I'm trying to show you exactly what is the time installation process. So sometimes it may take 4 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes 8 minutes. So you should not get really annoyed and you should not press any buttons. Don't press. So that is the reason I'm trying to show you the time as well. So you should know, okay, this update takes 3 minutes. So you should wait for 3 minutes without pressing anything. Some of the users, they did press the power button continuously when this update is going on. That is the reason I started to do this kind of test, which might be useful for few users, just to give a clear idea. So once after this update finish and everything, then I'll try to stop this video and I'll try to test Battlegrounds mobile 4D vibrations, and I'll try to come back with another video as well. Right now, as you can see friends, around exactly 1 minute and 55 seconds kind of thing, the phone started to turn on. Sometimes this will remain exactly in the iQOO logo only, so don't worry about that if it remains for longer time. So don't press any kind of power button during this update process. That's the most important thing. So otherwise sometimes the phone will get completely stuck in the between. So right now it's optimizing all the applications, as you can see. So still it's going to take some time, so don't worry. So don't be in a rush. So let it take some time, no problems. This is a July update only. And finally friends, complete update has been completely finished within 2 minutes and 42 seconds of time. So thank you for watching this video friends, and for more interesting videos make sure to follow me regularly. I'll definitely do plenty of testings after the software update in this phone. Meanwhile, if you have any other queries on this iQOO Z3 device, let me know in the comment section so I can focus on those things for the next couple of days. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.